Hello, I'm 𝗥𝗢𝗜 chairman of the ROI Institute.
And I'm Patty Phillips, CEO of ROI Institute.
You know, you have lots of programs and projects these days, and you wonder if they're working. And there are others who would like to know if it's working, particularly in some difficult times and uncertainties that we all seem to face. Hey, you need to be able to show the value of those major projects. You can do that with the ROI methodology. This is now the most used evaluation system in the world, and you can learn how to use it with the ROI certification. And it's coming near you soon.
ROI certification is the most comprehensive approach to developing capability in the ROI methodology. But not only do you develop skill, you actually complete your project. So we ask you to bring a program or project to the certification learning portion. As you're learning each step in the process, you'll apply each step to your project and you end the week with a project plan. Following the week of learning, you engage in our group coaching and access the other resources we make available to you so you can get through the project. In addition to completing the project, you use the resources and the network that you've built with the other ROI practitioners to implement and integrate ROI methodology into all of your programs and processes.
Join 16,000 other people who have been down this journey. When you complete the certification, you get a certificate, and that certificate says you've completed the ROI methodology masterclass. You'll also get a badge, but more importantly, when you complete your project, you become a certified ROI professional, and that's a skill set you're going to need in the future. We look forward to seeing you soon in a location near you.